Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So, in this video, we will discuss the function of compute variable. This is a very important function of SPSS which we use during our research. Now, before starting, we just give a look to how the questionnaire will be and how we have to ask different questions from respondents. Now this, what is the function compute variable in its species and how does it helpful in research? Now this is just a very simple sample questionnaire, and here is 5 questions will be asked from students to provide feedback about their courses at the end of semester. Now the first is the course objective were clear. So the student have to respond for this question, what was their feedback. Now the second is the course workload was manageable, and the third is the course was well organized, and the fourth is participated actively in the course, and I think I have made progress in this course. Now the respondent to reply one of the 5 for all questions: strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. So this is an ordinal variable, ordinal scale where the rank is important. So how we will code these variables, this is also important. So the coding will be, we will code 5 for the strongly agree, 4 for agree, neutral for 3, that is 2 for disagree, and strongly disagree is 1. So now we start how to use the compute function in species and how does it work. Now look at this is a variable view, and we have 6 variables. The first is the course, which we have assigns different values. So now look at English is 1, maths is 2, communication skill is 3, economics is 4, biology is 5, and so on till 8 is social studies. Now the variable A is the course objective were clear, so the values is assigned 1 to strongly disagree, 2 to disagree, 3 to neutral, 4 is agree, and 5 is strongly disagree. This is important to note that the satisfaction level from the high to the low. So 5 is strongly agree, and then the satisfaction level will slowly decrease, like 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is important that we will strongly agree will not 1, but it will be 5. Okay, and same we have defined all the rest of variables. Now we come to the data view, and this is our data. Here are the subjects, and this is the first is the English subject. So the first respondent about the course, we ask like the first is the course was clear, so he was agree, and for the second question he was agree, for third he is agree, for fourth he is agree, and for 5 he is agree. So now from all these 5 variables we are going to transform to a single variable so we can analyze our data. So we will click transform. Now first we click here, these are our variables, so we will click transform and compute variable. So the first thing is to give a name to your new variable which you will create. So for example, I give m to my new variable. So my new variable name is m. Now the second thing is to click here from the function group all. Okay, after this as I click all, so these are functions and special variables will display. Okay, after display I will turn it down, and here is M is mean. Here look at mean. So now I will double click mean. Okay, now here in the numerical expression, after double clicking mean, it will display it. Okay, so between the brackets, these mm, question mark I will delete. Okay, and now I will shift my all these 5 variable which I want to transform to a single variable. So the first variable, just click on the first variable, shift it there. Okay, and then put here a comma. Okay, now click on the second variable and shift it to the bracket. Okay, this is my second variable. Okay, further my third variable, or you can shift it by clicking it on double click. So just double click and it will shift there. Okay, and then comma, remember that must put comma. This is the proper order which required for the transformation of variable. Okay, then this is the last one. Okay, after last one, you no need to put a comma, just the bracket is there. Okay, now our process is ready. I have my new variable name is m. I have shifted all these 5 variables which I need to transform to a single variable. Okay, now just click OK. Okay, so now compute execute, and m is a new variable which is the index of these all 5 variables. Okay, so I minimize it. Okay, now here locate my new variable is created. Okay, and now what I need, because we use these for our purpose of research, so now I need how I can create like a simple bar chart, or how I will analyze the data. As in my other videos, inshallah I will also analyze, and I will use the how we do the analysis of variance, but just I give you a little bit information about that, how it helpful in research now. Okay, so now just click on analyze and compare means. Okay, again I repeat, click on analyze, then compare means, and then a one-way ANOWA. Okay, now in one way ANOWA, what we have to do, we have to shift the created variable m to dependent variable. Okay, while the courses which I'm going to do my research on the courses, so I will shift it to the factors. Okay, so again I repeat, the m, that is mean, the index mean which I have created the new variable, shifted to the dependent variable, and the course is titled to the factor variable box. Okay, now what you have to do, just click on option and the first one descriptive, because we need here only descriptive. Okay, just click on continue and then okay. Now look at, these are the descriptives. Now what we can conclude here from our research, you have to double click again, or here, or you can just right click, copy and paste your output in Excel. In Excel sheet, when you paste your output, this is your subject, these are all your subjects. So what you just copy it here, you copy your subject here, and you copy your mean, just a mean column you need to copy. You need to copy your mean here. Okay, so this is mean, and these are the subjects. This is this has been taken from the output of the species. So write down here subject, and here mean. Okay, so this is subject and this is mean. So now I'm going to find out the results, that what I have concluded from the feedback of the student when I ask them 5 questions about their subject at the end of semester. So now you have to select these and insert recommended charts and just put here the bar charts. Okay, and then click OK. Now look at this is my graph is ready, that I have analyzed my data, and this is the results. So now you can like conclude from what I have concluded from my this research. So look at the economics. The students are satisfied, they have good feedback, they have satisfied from all these 5 things. Look at now the rest of these, that the maths and English and chemistry, the graph is representing that the students have facing problems in chemistry. So this was our video about the use of the compute variable, and a little bit about the analysis of variance. So inshallah, in next video we will further learn the species and how it helped us in our research. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching video. Assalamu alaikum.